Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another Autowatch Ghost on this really lovely 2020 left-hand drive S63 BraBus. Customers were a bit paranoid about them cloning this key, so we fitted the Autowatch Ghost. How the system works, if someone was to grab this key, jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. Vehicle will not start. Okay, foot on the brake, vehicle won't start. So now, every time you jump in the vehicle, main ignition on, so you get all your lights. Go through a push sequence. On here we've done something very basic, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Full beam will flash here twice. There you go, and now we're able to start the vehicle. There you go, really clever, really straightforward. When the customer wants to take the car for a service, he can put it into valet mode, and the way he would put it into valet mode is, again, ignition on, go through a push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your full beam flash. There you go. And now this time hit the driver's window up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll get 5 flashes from the full beam. There you go, flashing away. And now this will act like a normal car. Okay? If I now turn it off, and I'll leave it about, say, 10 seconds, then you'll see I'll be able to start it again. When you get the vehicle back, you just do exactly the same as always. Main ignition, go through your push sequence, get your double flash from the full beam, and then that will be active again. So I'm going to start it now. It should be in valet mode. There you go, vehicle starts. Really clever, really straightforward. Okay, now I've got the car back. Main ignition on. Push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. Full beam, give us 2 flashes. There you go. Start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Now when I just now turn it off now, within 10 seconds you see the vehicle won't start. Finally, I'm going to show you how to change the code, and this is also straightforward. So let's just try and start it now first of all. See, vehicle won't start, it's immobilised again. So now we're going to go through a push sequence, and the way we do this is ignition on, go through your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive your double flash on the full beam. There you go. Now foot right down on the accelerator, repeat the same code. 1, 2, 3, 4. When the full beam starts to flash, you let go of the accelerator. There you go, it's flashing away. So now I'm just going to change the code to this side here. So every time I touch one of these buttons, if it's on the network, the full beam light will flash to confirm that I can use this button. I'm going to go through a push sequence. I'm going to pause. I'm going to get 3 flashes to accept the code. I'm then going to repeat the new code again, and I'm going to get 2 flashes, and it's going to confirm it. So here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to get 3 flashes. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes. There you go. Code is now learnt. So if I now turn it off, and we just test it now for the customer to make sure we've changed the code, but we are going to change this again. So now ignition on. Main ignition on. Yellow lights. New code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash. There you go. Vehicle starts. Really clever, really straightforward. There you go. As I said, this is a BraBus, brand new 2020. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906